Good morning everyone, it's December 23rd, 2 days till Christmas. It's my aunt's birthday today, so we're gonna do a lot of special stuff for her. I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and this morning when I woke up at like 8:30, which isn't bad. I also slept really well. I was so confused as to where I was because there was like a light. I'm like, I don't have that in my room. And then I remember I was on a cruise and I'm so excited. I'm gonna go work out with a bunch of us. Hopefully I can convince a lot of people to come. Good morning. Next stop, Pasta Maya. Ooh. It's not super sunny, but we're just gonna go eat. I love looking at the waves. This is incredible when we eat. There's just a lot of windows everywhere. And then my whole family's over there. I'm just in line for the birthday part. Hey! So this is what I got for breakfast. I'm probably not gonna eat all of it. But I got this muffin, some eggs, bagels, this is cream cheese, and one pancake. Eating breakfast and stuff, and on a cruise it is so easy to eat unhealthy and overeat, but I'm actually gonna work out. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my new Nike shorts, my little workout bag. Okay, I know it's just in like this little backpack, but I have my water bottle and obviously these because to listen to music, and I'm gonna bring resistance band and the gloves. Giving me a heart attack. You know you better think fast, so baby let's go and never look back. Girl, I know we just met, but I think that we could be the best. If we never ever try, then we'll never ever know. Just say, come on baby, let's go. You know you better think fast, so baby let's go and never look back. I made him do the 10-minute ab workout. My sister kind of joined in for some parts, and now my grandma's doing plank. So, see how much I'm sweating? I only did like shoulders and butt today because so many people at the gym. I wanted to do legs originally, but there just wasn't enough room for that. This is my sister's first time working out with me, and my mom's running on the treadmill. Okay, that was fun. The gym was so crowded. Instead of showering after the gym, we're all gonna go to the pool. There's some slides and stuff that we want to try. So I'm gonna bring this to film, and sunglasses, and then my water. And our cousins are already there. We're going to the pool. Hopefully we can get our summer tan back on. So right now we're at the top floor. We're trying to find a pool. It's like it's bigger than the other one. And then looking at the okay, that's where we're gonna go. At the back. Wait, right there. Is this cool, Sel? Yeah. Okay, so my brother's already up there, but we're gonna go on the water side. Leave my phone there.
To provide you with some information about our sailing.
Too many people were there, so we're gonna try right here.
We are now
we found lawn chairs finally, and it's actually like the prettiest view ever. We decided to go here because the sun is so easy to tan. I'm with my sister. Everyone else, I don't even know. It's really hard to find people now. We usually just bump into them. Later, it's fancy night today, so we're gonna dress fancy and we're gonna take pictures there. It's gonna be so pretty. We have to go early though when the sun sets. Feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself. So it's 1 o'clock and we tanned. Do you think it was for an hour? Oh, yeah. So we're gonna go dip our feet in the pool. This cruise ship has 4,800 people, which I honestly thought there was gonna be like 3,000 on the more people side, but that's a lot of people. So somehow we always get interrupted to go to the pool. We ran into some more of our family and they're eating, so I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go eat. And there's this pizza pirate bar that my mom said was really good. It was like European pizza, so I think I'm gonna go in line for that. And then we can pick from these options. Okay, so I tried some and it's so good. It's super thin, which I like. Found the place to lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. My cousin coming back out soon. That's my cousin Luca, and then the twins are Sophia and Veronica with life jackets. And that's Aurora. Get jumped in, go! This is the most beautiful thing ever. You just tan and then have the best view. And my Nono and I just found a spot over there. my room, and oh my god, I love these, and they made our beds. I'm not used to this. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, what? Oh, they're just stickers. Okay, so it's my aunt's birthday today, and I'm staying with her. And happy birthday, Felicia, from Samuel Housekeeping. That is adorable. I'm gonna go show my sister. So this is what my sister, brother, and parents' room look like. So my parents sleep here, and then these two beds. How do you get up to that one? Oh, just climb on the bed?
No, there's. You
can you move the ladder?
It's no. I need you to try my bed. It's so comfortable.
It's a dog. Except they don't have eyes. Hey guys, so it's 3:52 right now, and our dinner is at 6. It's a fancy dinner. So I wanted to do a get ready with me, just with makeup. You're right above me. So if I look up, that's why. I kind of just wanted to talk and do a chit chat get ready with me because I love those. So I'm gonna start off with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This morning we went to the gym, and by we I meant like my whole family came, and we're 20 of us on this boat. Probably half came. It was like the cutest thing ever. Everywhere I'd like go, I'd run into my family. We were all just having a workout. We all did our individual thing. One thing that I didn't expect it to be that many people. So there's 4,800, over 4,800 people, and I expected it to be maybe, I like down this by the way, maybe like 3,000 max. The captain's Italian, by the way. My nonno made sure to announce that many times. One thing that I've been loving is we're 20 of us from our family, and just everywhere I go I bump into people, and it's the coolest thing ever. So I don't know if you knew or not, but on cruises there's no Wi-Fi, so I've been loving it. We've been using my phone. Oh, someone's here. Hold on. Okay, so my sister joined us. She's just gonna do her makeup over there, but you can join in onto the conversation. But anyway, so I was just talking about how there wasn't any Wi-Fi, and I've been loving it because I've only been using my phone for vlogging and pictures.
Oh my gosh, you feel the move way more in this room.
Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah, so we're on the side there in the middle. But I've been loving it because I've been spending a lot more time with family. I've been more in the moment. Even when we're eating supper, you know how people go on their phone? No one is doing that. Everyone's just, you know, present in conversation. What else did I want to talk about? Oh, food on this cruise. There is so much food. When I came in, I expected it to be a room and then just like a buffet, right? But there's
so many different places to go.
Like a pizza place, and there's only pizza. And then there's a panini place with only paninis. There's a sushi place, salad bar. The one thing I didn't know is I thought sushi is going to be included, but it's not. You have to pay more. Okay, we're going to put some powder.
Oh my god, I can feel it moving.
Do you have a powder brush? What is this, Revlon? Is this Revlon? It's not a powder brush.
Oh, it's from Rimmel.
Oh. Perfect. Okay, so food, there's a lot of food, okay? And there's an ice cream bar, and I didn't have ice cream today because yesterday I had ice cream and I just wasn't hungry for anything after.
My sister, we went down the elevator, and when we were going down, we saw like
our cousins and stuff. It's really cool. By the way, I'm just doing eyeshadow, like really light eyeshadow. My sister and I found this really cool place where we're gonna take pictures later. So that's why we're getting ready extremely early. We're gonna take cool pictures because it's fancy night. Our first stop actually is in Costa Maya tomorrow. What you're supposed to do on a cruise is you're supposed to plan before what you want to do and buy your tickets online, like for the different stops. So like if we wanted to go ziplining, we would have had to buy it already. We did not buy anything. I don't think anyone in our family did. We're just gonna kind of go with the flow and go to the beach probably. Also, like something from this cruise is they try to, so you have a card, so you don't actually have to pay with money when you want to buy something. And it's so easy to just hand in your card because you're not actually physically handing in money. At the end of the trip, they just give you your bill with all of your expenses. So like even sushi, I wouldn't have to pay for it. I just swipe my card. So you don't realize how much money you're spending. They try to get you in so many things. Like drinks, they were just like, oh, do you want a drink? And you don't know that. You think it's included, right? And I thought it was included, so you just would take it, but and then they ask for your card. We're on Carnival Breeze, that's our cruise line, and I think this is a family cruise line for sure.
It's the party cruise.
It is the party cruise, which I've noticed, but it's really good for families. I decided to put on eyeliner. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. Maybe we might do a line, but okay, so the boat, I can't really feel it moving. There's a reflection. I'm just gonna put it on here. If I can talk at the same time. No, you know what? I'm just gonna bend down. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna do bronzer and highlighter right now. I'm almost done my makeup. It's really simple. I cannot feel it moving when I'm sleeping or when I'm just doing daily activities like that. But when I'm in my room, when I'm in my room and I shower, I can feel it. Now I can feel it because we're by the window. My sister doesn't have a window because she's in the middle of the boat. Can you feel yours moving at all?
Not one bit. Supper, our dining room is like
upstairs.
At the very back of the boat.
I'm using my sister's. Okay, my sister has all of the nice brushes and stuff. I just don't spend money on makeup. Yeah, but you have, I don't know how you got all these brushes. Well, I can really feel it moving. I'm just gonna do eyebrows, which you know what I use.
I'm gonna do my makeup with you now.
Oh really? Well, we're almost done now. Oh, this broke, by the way. Like this, my eyebrow pencil, this whole thing inside came out of it when I was twisting it yesterday on the bus, and I somehow fixed it. But thank God. I also, like, I know it's my only, like, one night here, but I thought I was gonna be more into, I thought I was gonna be more wild. I thought I was gonna go to the club. I just was so tired yesterday because we traveled. And now we're gonna do mascara, which my sister got me this one for Christmas, and I tried it on yesterday. I just did one coat and my eyelashes were extremely long. Yeah.
No, scrape it.
I will. I'll say I talk too fast, but I don't think I do. Even when I watch YouTube videos, I watch it in either 1.25 or 1.5 speed.
That's
because
so weird.
My lips, I usually don't put anything because we're gonna eat anyways, but I might just put this Clinique one is really natural. How am I beating yet when people do like this? Okay, this is my makeup and I'll show you my outfit and hair later. My sister finally got ready. She took way too long and we're just wearing casual-ish outfits because we wanted to take a picture. By the way, you know you can order your food for breakfast like in your room, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna go around the ship and take pictures and then go back and change for the real outfit. My sister and I are gonna take a few pictures in this corner. Oh, should we go in the other corner? Okay, and it's golden hours without the sun as of right now. No, not right there. There's more people here. So we're gonna change into our actual fancy outfits. I'm wearing fancy pants, you'll see. I don't want to wear a dress, although like everyone told me to wear a dress, but you can be fancy without a dress because she's wearing shorts, right? Are you still doing that?
I'm wearing a short, but it's like fancy
shorts, and I still think that's cute, but I'm all changed. And one thing about me is I get ready pretty fast, like with my makeup and just hair in general, but I'm just wearing the same bodysuit and then these pants and my heels. We're gonna take lots of pictures, so I'll insert a picture right there because you can't really see it now because I don't have a mirror. So we're all dressed up and ready to go. The menu today. Did you go swimming today? What are you doing? That? Oh, you're coloring it in with pencil? This is my appetizer, shrimp, and my sister's rice.
Just serving. Sit.
pods.
This is the swimmerettes.
Yeah. This is my dessert. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alicia. Happy birthday to you. What are you eating? Watermelon? You like it? We're taking family pictures of ourselves and for others. There's this big Christmas tree over there. So we went to the show at 8:45 and it wasn't that good. It was more of a kid show, so we left early, and I really want to go to a hot tub and just watch the waves and stuff, but it was closed due to high chlorination, which I think they clean it at night, but it's such a bad time to clean it. Sister and I are just walking around on the 10th floor, and where do you want to go?
I don't know, maybe the 5th, deck 5?
Oh, sir, can you and your future wife please take center stage? Sir, take center stage. Can someone grab him? Start to help me out. Alright, let me see you dancing up. Dancing together.
People just got engaged. My first engagement that I saw.
You can't turn the lights on. You'll never fall back to sleep. So you start peeing in the dark. And you're waiting for the sound. The bullseye sound, yeah.
It's 10:20 and I just watched a comedian do his show. It was really funny. It was 18 plus and my whole family left early from that show, so now I have no idea where they went. I'm just outside on the 5th deck 5. It is so peaceful right here and I'm really tired. I went to the club. It's called the Liquid nightclub. It starts at 11:30 and then it can go to whenever, but I'm tired and we have to kind of wake up early tomorrow-ish. Not gonna go, but then tomorrow there's 90s music, which is gonna be cool. Also, my necklace I got as a grad present. It's from Tiffany's, from my aunt's. Family doesn't live, we don't all live in the same city. We have people from everywhere, so it's nice that we can all be together. So I think I might go back to my room and just pack for tomorrow because I don't want to forget anything since we're gonna be gone for the full day. So I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching this vlog. I'm having so much fun on this cruise, so I'm really happy I can share the memories.
Baby, I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why.